Hello everyone. We are coming in front of you to make a very exciting announcement. Convert IAS has helped many aspirants turn into rankers by virtue of the only thing which actually matters in this UPSC examination, that is answer writing. We have been helping them to build their answers, giving them the feedback, what exactly is demanded by UPSC. We have been teaching them since a very long time through our evaluations. But we identified a problem statement brought by you to us that you don't know what exactly is answer writing. You have started your preparation. Each and every ranker is telling the importance of answer writing. Your mentors are telling the importance of answer writing, but you exactly don't know what does that mean. And for that problem statement, Convert IS is bringing to you GS live answer building classes. This is going to be a one-stop solution for any basics. Yeah, those who have started your preparation. If you want to do answer writing, then this is the one-stop solution. How? Because we will be catering to each and every aspect of answer writing from basics to advanced. Our GS lab is going to be live sessions wherein our group of mentors are going to come in front of you and teach answer writing to you. It is going to happen in two phases. There is going to be a phase 1 and there is going to be a phase 2. Your phase 1 is going to be a complete answer writing foundation, wherein you will be taught the science of answer writing. What exactly you should be approaching when you are reading a question, what introduction you should be writing, how you should be brainstorming. Each and everything we will be rigorously doing in the initial 15 days. That is going to be the foundation of your answer writing. And mind you, all these sessions are going to be worksheet sessions. These are not going to be lectures where we are going on telling and you guys are writing. You guys will be working upon those worksheets and you will be learning whatever is taught in the class. After phase 1, we will be proceeding to phase 2, wherein each and every GS paper, GS 1, 2, 3, 4, will be tackled each month. Again, our group of mentors will be coming in front of you. We will be giving you questions wherein you will be asked to write, and soon after that they will be giving you the approach of those questions. So each month you will be mastering one GS paper and proceeding. And by the way, these are going to be held live, as I mentioned, at a particular time of the day, and it is going to be 9 o'clock in the morning. So as soon as your day starts, you are going to start it with something which actually matters for your UPSC journey, that is answer writing. You are going to build discipline in these 4.5 months, whichever are going to come, which will ensure that you are going to be getting selected. Yeah, matlab, you will be confident that you know answer writing from basic to advanced. So sir will explain how the program will proceed and all the schedule and everything. Sir is going to explain.
Okay, so hello guys, hope you all are doing good. So let me explain to you about the structure that we have decided for our GS lab classes. Yeah, so as Shabaz sir has explained that it is going to be conducted in two phases. The first one is going to be your foundation classes, which we have divided into 15 classes, where you are going to start from the very scratch. That's saying your first two classes are going to be your introduction sessions, because the examiner first looks at the introduction and he judges your style of answer writing from the introductions. So that has to be consolidated first. Okay. And the third session is going to be directives and structure. Understand that every question that you counter in your UPSC mains examination has directive words which decide the particular structure, which decide the particular demand of that question. So that also has to be consolidated. Then the next two sessions are going to be brainstorming. Brainstorming is a much used word in your UPSC preparation, and here we are going to tell you how to do it properly. In these two sessions, you will not only learn what is brainstorming, but we will make sure that you learn to apply it in each and every subject. And the next two sessions after the brainstorming are going to be dealing with your body part, where you are going to learn how to choose the subheadings, how to choose the frameworks, how to kind of uh, improve your output in your answer writing in the body part. Now next comes the fine touch on your answer, that cake, like cake on the pudding kind of thing. Here we are dealing with the presentation part. In the presentation part, we will be teaching you how to choose specific diagrams, flow charts, everything for your respective answers. Okay. Now the last part of your learning curve in your mains foundation classes, the conclusion. Out of the introduction, body, conclusion, framework, we have covered introduction and body. This will be the conclusion, and we will make sure that you write a conclusion that gives a definite closure to the answers. Okay. And the next 4 sessions, again, these are going to be your practice sessions where you are going to apply what you have learned in all these 10 classes. Okay.
By the way, I just wanted to add one point.
Yeah.
In your phase 2, whatever classes, one GS per this thing which you are going to do, you are going to get value enrichment material also.
Yes.
Our team is going to provide crisp notes which you can refer to before answering them, because many of the aspirants, they feel that they don't have content for writing, that's why they are not writing. But we will be ensuring that you are having that content also, so that whatever minimal content is necessary for you to write answers, you are having it before the sessions itself. Okay? Yes, sir, please.
Yeah. So, sir has explained to you that before each and every session in your phase 2, you are going to get the content. Okay. But let me briefly give you an outlook of how your phase 2 is going to happen. So, we have made sure that you are going to cover one subject in 1 month. Okay. There will be alternate day classes, and every subject is going to be covered in 1 month. We will be starting with your GS2. Okay. And
Sir,
we
GS2 से कैसे start कर रहे हैं? Can you please-
GS2, so very good question. A lot of students are asking about that. So we are starting with GS2 because this is the part where most of the students are very comfortable. Okay, most of the students can apply a lot. Okay, it does not require that much of content. It requires application a lot. That's why we are starting with your GS2. Okay. Okay. Now, these 1 month sessions are going to continue on alternate days. Okay, we will be covering each and everything of your GS2. Now, GS1 will start from your next month, which is August. Okay, in the last week of August, we are going to start with your GS1, and then we will be starting in such a way so that you are going to have some kind of continuity from GS2 to GS1. That's why we are starting with Indian society. Okay, so respective sessions will be there. Let me briefly tell you about what kind of sessions are these going to be. These sessions are going to be your live answer writing. Okay, where we will be giving you a particular timer on 2-3 questions that we are providing you. You will be writing down the answers, and then we will come up, then the faculties will come up their respective subjects, and they will explain to you about the approach that is the right approach that is required to do the answer writing. So then and there you will get a reality check on how to approach the answers. Okay, so we will be moving forward to the GS1 in a very similar approach. We will be covering each and every part of your GS1. Then we are shifting to GS3. We are starting from the very start of Indian economy. Okay, similarly the classes will go on. You will be completing each and every part of your GS3, and the last but not the least, it is going to be your GS4. Why GS4 at the very last? Because it is an application based examination, application based subject, where you are going to apply the examples, the very facts, the data sets of your GS1, 2, 3 paper in this particular GS4 paper. So by the end of the November, we are planning to wrap up your all GS papers so that you are very, very confident when you are going for the next phase, that is the next year you are starting with the prelims. You are very confident that my main syllabus has been covered. Okay, and if we complete it by the November, that we are surely going to do, one thing is going to happen in the month of December and in the starting days of January. We will make sure that you are confident enough to write the full length test, half length test with absolute confidence. Okay, that is the job that we are going to do. Okay, what do you say?
So, yeah. So one more thing I wanted to add to Rishabh sir is, unless and until you are putting your pens on the paper, you are not going to clear this examination. Let me be very blunt. And after this program, you will have no reason, ki, sir, I don't have content, I don't have any approach, I don't have any mentor. all these problems, we are putting an end to it. All you have to do is come to us at a particular time of the day in the morning hours and completely rely on us for us to build your answer writing. Even if you are a beginner, even if you haven't written any answer in your life, I will make sure, our team will make sure that you will ace by the month of November. You will be in the stage ki give any question. I will give you an answer for that. I can write answer for that. And not to average answers. Because throughout these subjects, you will be building your answer writing step by step. Every day you will be improving your answers. Our mentors will ensure that you are improving phase wise. First day you will write very basic answers. Second day a bit better. By 15th day, your answers and topper answers will be almost similar. That is the whole agenda of this program, that your answers are built to the toppers level. So stop giving reasons now, because if you are serious about 2027 attempt, now is the time that you start your answer writing. Because beyond this, you cannot do it. क्योंकि time लगता है. The time is required for you to build the skill of answer writing. Many of you haven't understood that answer writing should become a hobby of yours. Because hobby is something which you love doing. Hobby is something which you have mastered. Answer writing जब तक आपकी hobby नहीं बनती, you are not going to clear the examination, and we are ensuring it becomes your hobby. रोज करवा के. All right. So we are ready for building your answers, and we are assuming that you are also honest enough, serious enough for building answers. So see you tomorrow. See you directly in the GS lab itself. Thank you.
All the best.